Imagine turning micro movements in the Nasdaq market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping Nasdaq futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures. Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Good morning, Timbo. Good morning, Apple. Good morning, Apple Jacks. How are you guys this morning? Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. What a morning. Had a, what is this? I don't know. 100-point move off the open just to retrace the entire thing in the next 5-minute candle. A little insane, I'm not gonna lie. When I seen how fast everything was moving, I said there's no point in me even attempting to do anything with this. So kind of waiting for the market to slow down a little bit. We are in medium impact news right now, so I could restart at 8:47. But it's just a tiny bit too volatile for me. We're already at a daily volume of 215, which is a lot. Normally, that's around where we're at, like 220 to 250 is where we're at around 10 a.m. when I stop trading. So yeah, I do know we had, what was that, high impact news at 7:30, but that didn't produce that much volume. So yeah, the 8:35 candle, the opening candle, produced like 25,000 volume within itself. Then the following 5-minute candle was like another 20,000. So quite a bit of movement this morning. You're hungry already? Last day of the week / month crazies. Yeah. Yeah, this is a bit much. And I don't even feel comfortable trading it. So hopefully we at least slow down just a little bit. Just a tad. Just a tad. But anything I feel is slow enough for me to catch, I'm definitely going to get into it. Where did swear? I promise you, I feel like the older I get, the faster time goes. Is there like a switch that they flip when you hit a certain age? Because I promise when I was younger, time did not go this fast. It did not. March is here already. Didn't we just say Happy New Year? Didn't I just say Merry Christmas? Like, what is this? It's just too much. It's just too much. It's a lot. Too much. And I just think about like, dang, I really had a goal of, I just wanted to hit certain goals and start trading all my PAs Monday, but no, not quite. Not quite. I'm still gonna start trading one of them though. Um, man. All right, it looks like we're trying to slow down a little bit. This is a major support level, so we didn't quite touch it yet. Now we just did. Birthday was last week and I can't be convinced otherwise. Oh, goodness. Yeah, time is just flying. It is. Oh, man. I missed it. That was my trade right there. Fuck. I rearranged my cheat sheet to try to make it a little easier for me to navigate. But now I just got to get used to it. But it is way easier for me to navigate. But I might need to reprint it. But yeah, I missed that buy right there. I missed it. Still too much movement for me. I mean, we slowed down enough for me to be able to get that trade in. I just missed it, but I was able to see it in time. And actually, I am going to reprint this because the color of something I have is kind of driving me nuts. So I'm going to redo this real quick. Sorry, you guys. I color coded it to make it a little easier, but I didn't realize once I print it, it was going to be hard for me to see the black text on the green. But I also forget sometimes that I have colorblind mode, not colorblind mode, eye saver mode on my computer. And so sometimes what I see is different than how it actually prints. So I'm just gonna reprint it real quick. Because on my screen right now it's like lime green, but when you actually print it, it's a dark green. So I'm gonna reprint it because it's hard to see. Oh, I forgot. I can't print it. Actually, yes, I can. I'm gonna email it to myself. Make the market just slow down anyway. All right. I gotta email it to myself because my computer's on a different Wi-Fi than my printer. So give me a second, you guys. Good morning, Trenches. How are you this morning? Are you trading? The market's moving a little too fast for me. It slowed down enough for me to see one good setup. I just still missed it. Partially because of this color on my cheat sheet. So I'm gonna reprint it real quick. Print. Copies one, presets, double-sided print in color. Yes. And that's on the right printer. I'll be right back. Forgot it doesn't print the exact same from my phone for whatever dumbass reason. But at least the colors changed and that's what I need. Can that one. Just got a call and release from work so I get paid and get to go home. I'm trading, period. Not a good day to be him. How are you doing so far? All right, I think the market has slowed down enough for me. Damn, I hate that it cuts that off. Small green. Good morning, Moses. How are you this morning? Getting a little choppy here next to the VWAP. This is the first lower deviation level. And I don't even know the real number there. 523, which we just passed. Oh, that changes things. I was getting into a buy initially. Oh, we have a speaker at 9:15? Well, I didn't have that written down. Oh, and Trump speaks tentatively, so hopefully I have my Oh, that's 9:15 p.m. I do have the news indicator to refresh every hour, so if they come up with a time for Trump to speak, it should pop up over there. 36. This is why on the Renko chart, I don't take buys at this VWAP level until we touch the upper deviation level, because I could have got into buys here and got stopped out because it really was wicking out on a time-based chart. That's why I have the just the first two deviation levels over there. You're looking for a long entry for a 20% retracement. Where's your level at? Go to your meetings. I knew you were gonna get some troubles. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? Not it sent you the bell after you clicked it. It's my civic duty. Now we'll wait until we get to 700 or under 550 before anything now. Got you. Got you, got you. So you want to see us break above. Okay. Wait, why did I just scroll back so far? This market is just too much for me. I almost got into the sell, but I don't really like most of the time when we rotate over a level. So that's why I set out. And you see, I would have been stopped out just to literally push down like 200 ticks. That would have pissed me off. Big time. I don't even. It's like anytime they schedule for this man to talk, the market just goes haywire. We don't even have a time. We're just like, oh, let's just go crazy until it happens. And it's so crazy because I don't want to change my wrinkle size, but shit. Because it's really gonna suck when the market is slow, but my gosh, like this is just it's too much. Especially on the days like, what was it, Tuesday? Did it dump yesterday? I think it dumped yesterday. I was talking to my friend yesterday. I realized from the close of Friday to the low of yesterday was like a 1,600 point dump or something crazy. Just insane. Good morning, Paul. How are you this morning? Good morning, good morning. At this point, I'm ready to just not start trading until like after 9:15, 9:30 every day. Because it's just been so haywire until then. And I'd rather just not even be on the charts yet to even see it. I'd rather just trade the last little 30 minutes. It's brutal. It is. Join me in my post 9 trading. I mean, at this point, I'm going to have to, honestly. I mean, some of these days, though, I have been able to get good trading in before then. Like, I've caught a couple trades literally within a minute of me getting on the charts at 8:35. But some of these days are just so violent. Sugar daddy. Yeah, I think starting next week, I mean, I'm probably gonna open up my charts just so I can journal the whole session. Um, but I might really just sit out until 9 o'clock and just go from there. Because this is a waste of time to me, personally. Like the reversal bars have less than 200 volume in them. That's not normal. Really, a lot of them have less than 100. And there's nothing, I can't do nothing with that. Alright, this is gonna drive me crazy. It's my way. Put it there. And then when I like look at the timestamp of the bar before the reversal bar, it's usually like less than a second difference between the two. That doesn't help it either. At all. This is so annoying. Oh, Paul, Amelia doesn't start trading until after 9 o'clock, after the first 30 minutes of the market being open. She lets all the craziness kind of die down a little bit. Oh, it's just not a bad idea. All right, I could have caught this buy, but you see we're at the previous close. I know I could trade at like the opposite pivot levels as long as only the entry bar hits it, but I didn't know about like the open high low close levels, so I still don't really trade opposite those because I look at the prior close as like a resistance level basically. So that's why I sat out of that. There's no point in losing to something that I've already been doing for so long. That makes sense. Oh my gosh. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. That's honestly why I have I'll either usually have a 5 minute or a 1 minute chart. And when things were moving so quickly the first 5 minutes, and that's why I don't trade the first 5 minutes. I looked and I said, oh my gosh. So then I sat there and when I saw that thing retrace the whole next candle, I say, yeah, today is not it. It's not it. It's just not. All right, new highs. Don't need to get stopped out just for it to go my way. Exactly. Exactly. I just hope like volatility is good, don't get me wrong, but not in this capacity. Not unless you just like to just, hey, market looks like it's going this way with a whole lot of volatility, let's just push the button. Unless you're one of those kind of traders, it's just not, it's not the business. It's not. Oh my gosh. Am I on a double trade? Oh, no, I'm not. I don't really know what that's about, but that's all right. Did that pass that? I don't even know. See, the market's just moving too fast. And I think 126. No, I could take that loss. That's fine. That followed my rules. It lost really fast, but and I still don't have all of what I want. I don't think for like trading going back to new highs and lows. I haven't really been taking those trades. So if they lose, yeah, whatever. It won on the follower though, which is fine. Damn. That was my buy. That was definitely my buy. Also, I think I could take trades at the zone now. I'm still working out the kinks, but I'm pretty sure I can. This was the first time it set up properly today. This trade right here, and it went my 18 ticks and then reversed. Break even off the 700 rejection. Nice. Nice, nice. Let me go refresh Forex Factory to see what time Trump is speaking. Still nothing. Still tentative. Due to hold a press conference with Ukrainian president at the White House. Okay. Market. It's the dreaded 9:19 time. Good morning, Janelle. How are you this morning? It's a blackout Friday. Thank you for letting me know because I had no idea. Nationwide call to boycott shopping. I don't need nothing anyway, so I will be participating. Damn, that was my sale right there. I'm delirious at this point. This was my sale right there. That's so annoying. I thought we were one tick below that level there, but we were right on it. But I don't know. I'm still trying to work out this. It rotating, I still didn't like it. It worked out that time, but down here it didn't for the sale. So yeah. Um, you ate good on gold in Asia? Nice. Not almost. This market is so nasty. Listen, troll is a nutty chat earlier. Why no one knows? Who, the woman troll? She says she goes in there when she's bored. Nice divergence. It's trying. I don't even know anymore. Today is kind of also one of those days where a lot of things that don't normally work out are working out. So, yeah. There's the divergence setup if it happens in this candle. Nope, and it did not. Came close, but not quite. Yeah, she's definitely said it. TP of 3,400 after profit. Gold dropped another 50 ticks. Damn. She's grossing annoying. Yeah, I was watching her giveaway video last night and I don't know. I just don't like the narrative that Apex is coming after her because they're trying to go after YouTubers. No, not so much. I don't really think they cared about her reporting until she released an unauthorized video recording of a confidential conference call. That is totally different than them going after prop reporters. I just still think it's shady that Leo and them gave her the ammo and they're not paying her lawyer fees. It's pretty fucked up if you ask me. Yeah, I'm not taking any trades going back to the highs and lows right now. I'm gonna sit out because stuff that would normally work out are not working out, like this trade right here. But like I said, we haven't really been trading going back towards those that much. So I know I have some data, but I highly doubt it's enough, really. So I'll just wait. We got 30 minutes left. If we keep pushing new highs, it's nothing I'm gonna be able to do. Exactly, Amelia. Yeah, I find it hilarious as well. Like I would cuss their asses out, but at the same time, not everybody who would have gotten that information would have done the same thing. So some people would have just sat on it and said, "You released the shit on your damn own. Hell, you want me to do it for?" 81, 235. Oh my gosh. That happened so fast I didn't even see it. So I'm down 200 on the leader, but I'm up on the followers. So stupid. But yeah. Damn, and then I missed this sale. I wouldn't have gotten maybe. Maybe I would have gotten tagged in. All right, I'm not doing nothing else off highs, lows, nothing. All right, no more. For real. I was still willing to chance the divergence, but nah. 6x not attached. I'm trying to end the week green, goddammit. Come on, market. Get away from the highs and lows. Yes, her abused and she thought they were pals. She's the one included in the lawsuit. Yeah, she is. Yep. They're not paying her legal fees. I feel like it was in her Discord. She said that she's already 5 figures into the lawsuit. And if they actually include her the way that they said in some new filing, I think it was this past Sunday maybe, that she's looking at upwards of probably 50K in lawyer fees. Mm. It's just so annoying. See you, Moses. Enjoy the rest of your day. I gotta get my profit before I can give it back. Have a good rest of your day. Like, look at this. This is just insane. I'm kind of over it, honestly. I'm gonna still sit here and try to get something else in, but I don't know. We'll see. If I have time this weekend, which I don't know if I will, because I'm kind of just Where's my, oh, kind of just over shit a little bit. But if I have time this weekend, I'm gonna look at literally look at only trades that's after a new high and low, or like the divergence that creates a new high and low. Now also, though, like I said before, I used to not trade any new highs and lows, divergences on Fridays anyway. I kind of stopped doing that because I don't really have that many Fridays in my data so far. So, and what I do have, it works out just fine so far. So, yeah, I don't know. Come on, divergence on Fridays, don't hold me. Stop field, what the fuck are you talking about? Who knows what my entry was? Let's see. Hold on, y'all, I gotta see. Now, how I got to, this is my follower account. You can see I got tagged in at the right place. How does the TP not get hit? How? We went so far beyond it, and I somehow got the break-even stop filled. Whatever. I'm not even gonna complain because I got wins on those that should have, wins on that one that should have been losses, so I guess. I won't even complain, whatever. Won't even complain. Is she still trolling these internet streets? Need to start it. Yeah. I do know there were people in her Discord that were asking how they could help. Damn it. I needed that to reject a little bit harder. But yeah, there were people in there asking her for how they could help. Is that equal volume? It is. Yeah. It's gonna end up being too much. Too much volume in that reversal bar down. Come on, bro. Everything that's not supposed to be working, it's working, and it's frustrating. Time goes by so freaking fast. Like it's almost 10 o'clock. 7:48. Should be 289, 179, 289, yeah. Why do you hate me? $55. What does the 5-minute chart look like? Very uptrend with this being a pullback. Okay. All right, 15 minutes left. If I can get back break even on the take profit trader account, I would be pretty happy about that. That would be pretty nice actually. But we'll see. have missed trades that would help me be green already, but what can you do? The question is still on. Oh, might not even do it. Nope. Just gonna say I wanted to test my theory of how I could trade off of the zone, but there wasn't enough volume in the entry bar. Budget templates. A lot of people need financial guidance more than ever before, especially with the no, honestly, I've had a desire to update them. However, I've been so focused on this stuff, I just literally have not even had the time, to be honest with you. But I definitely have thought about it for sure. For sure. Especially, I mean, now I have a lot more design skills than I had back then, which is why I wanted to redo them anyway. But yeah, I'm definitely heavily thinking about it. I might test my theory with this trade right here. If it loses, I'm okay with that. We just hit the freaking sell rotation level that just popped up out of nowhere. Oh, I'm still in a trade. No, Latin, please. Great. I hate when the sell rotation levels pop up on a freaking outside bar. That's so irritating. But you could see we started rejecting off of it, but we were able to push through it. But I don't take any chances. But I tested my theory and it worked out. It's not like I had some huge loss or something. You couldn't stop. Oh gosh, Paul, what did you do? Is it good or bad? Is that a doji? Yes. Got a doji on a 5-minute chart. No. You're going too far. 1300, nice. Okay, right, Janelle. Now chill your ass out. Chill out. It's time to officially stop. I'm weak. 9 minutes. Damn, I'm so mad I had to get out of that last trade. So frustrated. Down enough. Where are you going, market? Cold turkey activated. Good. Take your money and run. Congratulations. Nice job, nice job. I've noticed that I definitely prefer the days where, like, by the end of the session, we have less than 300,000 volume. I'm not really a fan of these super high volume and volatility days. I'm not at all. You playing. This market is playing. It's playing with my emotions. And I don't like that. I also realized that once I add in these other two volume patterns at some point, I'm not ready yet, but once I do that, that will get me more trades as well. I just want to have enough valid setups to where if I'm missing trades, if it's a super crazy market in the beginning and I can't really get into anything, that I have enough to, like, you know, cover me a little bit. That's always been the goal, really. All right, we got 4 minutes left. I want to see us come up here, pull down, and use that as support to push up. That's what I would like to see. No. A little bit further. I didn't want it to go that far. What the fuck? Oh my god, please. I didn't want it to reject that damn hard. I give up. All my hours of studying literally for no reason. I'm just gonna become a gambler, get me some payouts, and keep it moving. I don't care anymore. What's the point? What the fuck is the point? What is the point of all of this? We got 2 minutes. I might lose. Damn. Damn. Literally nothing is working the way it normally does. And it's very frustrating because I created the strategy based on normal things that normal patterns I see in the market, but it literally just doesn't matter. Like everything that has not been working for the last month is now working, and everything that has been working is not in the last like 72 hours. No, really all this week. And that is so fucking irritating. Like, it's so irritating, especially with the amount of time that I have put into this. Listen. But what can you do? It's a lot of garbage. No Friday trading for you. You know, I'm about ready to no trading, period, for me. That's where I'm headed. Because this is just, it's getting to the point of where I used to get where I'm like, oh, you know what? Fuck this. I'm going back to nursing. I can go make $40+ an hour working working like 3 out of my 12-hour shift. I work 3 hours. The rest, my patients are asleep, and I'll just keep it moving because this is annoying. Not gonna lie. This is very annoying. I might have to go back to like, I've been taking a lot of trades like this where we rotate over a upper deviation level for a buy, and it's been working just fine, like legit. But I just don't know anything anymore. I just don't. So I'm gonna show you guys the accounts. I don't even think I'm going to journal the trades that I have taken, but I highly doubt I'm going to journal everything else today. It takes so long and I'm just so irritated that I'll probably just wait till this weekend because I'm annoyed. And I'm tired of being annoyed. This market is fucking irritating and I wish Trump wasn't in office just for the simple fact of I'm sick of the market amongst everything else, but this is just ugh. So this is where I am. So I got back to green on the TPT account that I just started back on Thursday. I mean Wednesday. But now we're back red on it. Is what it is. I did get a little bit of profit in the Top Step account, so still $2,000 from being funded on that one after the copier has screwed me so much in the last 2 months, which I'm waiting on them to email me back about that because they said it would be done by the end of the month, and motherfucker, it's the end of the month. So what's up? I would like to know. All right, let me go back to here. Let's talk about this week. This week's stats. And I'm headed out of here. I'm probably gonna take a nap. Like, my frustration level is beyond belief. What's this week? All right, so I lost a lot of money this week. Blew one account, which was the one Top Step account, which, like I said earlier this week, if this Top Step account blows, I'm probably not going to continue on, just because I'm really iffy about Top Step right now, just with the way Patak wants to collude with other prop owners. I don't really like how I've never liked their path to live. I've always made that clear. I think it's very unfair that you punish people who have more consistency and better risk management. There's no way when I look at the list of people that you take live on a weekly basis, you have somebody who goes live with $1,000 in payouts and $1,000 live balance, but then you have another person who went live with $100,000+ in payouts and an $80,000 balance. You're punishing that person who didn't gamble, basically. So yeah, I just don't know I'm gonna keep this account just because for now, but I don't know, I'm probably not going to continue on. But yeah, and then the TPT account, I just made a very stupid decision on Tuesday to continue trading when I could have just went forward with a $2,000 balance and paid the same 102 instead of starting over. But also at the same time, I feel like I needed to start over because what the fuck is the market doing, So I just feel like maybe the starting over is like a blessing in disguise because it gives me more time to work out the kinks in eval versus doing it in funded accounts. So we'll see. I'm going to continue just trading with one contract for now. I don't know. I had a plan of restarting the Rhythmic PA with Apex on Monday, but right now I'm not totally sure, to be honest with you. I will let you guys know, but yeah, just overall not that great of a week, but it is what it is. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys. But I thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'm going to take my aggravated ass on somewhere and go take a nap. But I thank you guys for tuning in. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early Monday morning, maybe. I don't know what time and if I'm even going to stream it, if I'm even going to continue trading right now. But I will let you guys know. Have a great weekend. Be safe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.